So we're continuing to look now at the template for the JavaScript command. So we've got a placeholder for longitude, and then we've got another placeholder over here, js.data, JS escape, ds, so ds stands for data source.data, and then the name field over there, and then curly bracket row number, which is the row number. So this is just a special placeholder over here. So then we open up the connection to our SQL Server Airports database. We execute a query that returns the name, the latitude, and the longitude from the airports database for the state that was selected, which is inside e.datasubmitted.state. We create a SQL arguments object over here, and then we execute that SQL command passing in the arguments object. Then we get a result set, and then we use an XBasic function called merge data into template, which takes the template as one argument and the result set as a second argument. So this is an extremely powerful XBasic function, which essentially does a mail merge. It's like a mail merge into a template. So you can read up more about the merge data into template function in the wiki. So after I've executed this command, this JS variable now looks pretty much exactly like this over here for whatever state I selected. So now let's go back to the XBasic. So then we add in the method to get a pointer to the map object. So we always need to do that before we can execute any of the methods of the map object. Then we remove any existing markers, which would be inside the marker group MG1. Then we execute the JavaScript to add all the markers. So this is the this is the JavaScript that adds the markers for all the states. And then we execute the command to view the marker group. So this brings those markers that we've just placed into view. And then finally we return JS. So this is the response by setting get markers equals JS. This is the response that was computed on the server that now gets sent back to the browser. So if we were to go here and actually run this in Firefox, we would see the response being sent to the browser. So if we go here and then we open it up, we keep Firebug open. So let's go there now and choose Colorado, and now look at our Ajax response. We can see here, there's our response. You can see the response that was sent back to the browser has the addMarker command being called repeatedly for every single airport in Colorado. So using the methods of the map control object and some very simple server-side XBasic, we've created a very nice application in just very few lines of code where we can easily plot quite a lot of data on the map. What we're trying to demonstrate in this video is how easy it is to program against the map control on the Dialog component and build quite sophisticated mapping applications. Thank you very much for watching.